Lori Keene, and my son is Brett Keene. He is a sophomore quarterback, 16 years old, university school, and has been coming to Slide for 2 or 3 years. Premier Athletes gives Brett an opportunity to come out here and compete and participate with high-level athletes. The skill level out here on any given Sunday is better than you'll find anywhere in the country at any given time. So it gives an opportunity to throw live routes with defense. Well, the interesting thing is when he first started out here, it was just a matter of him getting reps and throwing to the athletes. But as he's getting older now, I'm seeing the real benefit of Sly and what he does, and as far as recruiting and getting him in touch with colleges, and that's an incredible service that I never anticipated, but I'm certainly appreciating. I just expect that every time he comes out here, there's going to be great competition, and he's always going to be pushed to do his best because of the level of talent that's out here every time he's out here.
Premier Athletes, one day better.